Happy belated birthday, Sissy, Maureen, Michelle. I hope you had a nice birthday. Hopefully the weather is okay out there. Be careful for you and your family. Hopefully you had a very nice, beautiful day and morning. Wish you a good afternoon. God bless all your family. And I hope you had a very nice birthday on that day. Always wish you a very healthy birthday on the day. And wish you good rest of future and life. Happy belated birthday, Sissy. And one more birthday to one more person, Shane in the baking. Happy belated birthday, Sissy Shane in the baking. I hope you had a nice birthday. God bless you and your mom. I hope you both are doing well. And God bless your family. Hopefully you had a nice celebration that day. Wish you always good health that day and rest of the future and everything. Happy belated birthday to both of you. And take good care of both of you. And God bless.